Now the emperor's cause is lost. Abyssinia, says Tucci, is henceforth Italian.
With the fall of his capital, Addis Ababa, Haile Silassie, the Lion of Judah, sought sanctuary in Britain. The world might deem Ethiopia none of its business, yet, like it or not, the presence of that dignified figure on English soil was a reminder to the world of its conscience.
This was a very sad piece of news to me. People had thought he would stay and lead them and fight with them. They never believed he would abandon them. It was a very serious matter. In the whole history of Ethiopia, he was the first and last king to do such a shameful thing. It was something we all condemned. History will judge him.
የሚወገዝ ድርጊት ነው ያደረጉት ታሪክ ፈረዳቸው
ውዝጌሪን ወደ ጅሩ ማሪታን አልበኒ ዚባችዙ ከፊራይን ኦብሰኒ ጀቺ አዳጋ ናመቴችዙ